It's our second morning up here in Indiana. We moved to the ground blind yesterday. We were over on that other tree line, and yesterday morning we were out here, pretty much right out in front of us. So we're on the property edge, right on the edge of this cornfield. So hopefully those turkeys will come pretty much the same route they've been traveling and stop and take a peek at our scoot and shoot out here, and then get it done. Alright, sun's starting to pop up. It's still day 2. And my cameraman is still sleeping. Alright, so we just got loaded out, heading back to the truck right now. We're gonna meet Jeremy at the lodge, and we're heading over to this other farm that should be loaded down with birds. So hopefully sometime this morning we'll be on a nice gobbler, nice long beard for my first bird. So putting in the work. Alright, it's been fun. Indiana. What you got there, Jeremy?
I got me a double beard.
Oh,
Maybe 3-year-old.
that's nice. Alright, good deal. So Jeremy just got this one. I think we're fixing to go back to that place and hear they're up in there gobbling and see if we can make it happen. Alright, so we just got here to our new location. It's kind of really rolly hills up here. Kind of a field kind of set up like before. Got these tree bottoms, it looks like. So the turkeys were in here gobbling this morning, so hopefully they're still here. And we're gonna make a move on one. I like these shades, dude. That's awesome. Pretty sweet, man. You want them? For sale. I'm good. Still looking for that first turkey, so hopefully this location move will make it happen. Oh my God.
I want to make sure it's dead.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. We got one down. Let's go check him out. Come on, come on. Yeah? Yeah. Oh. Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Look at them spurs.
Oh, look at them double beards.
Oh, you hammered him.
Oh man.
Got him.
Oh my. Oh,
Look at that,
First-
buddy.
first bird in Indiana. Man. Triple O Outfitters, Jeremy Robinson. Yeah. You guys did it, man. That is, that is
That's
outstanding.
a stud, brother.
Whew.
That's a freaking stud.
First bird. First bird. Man. Look at that.
Awesome, man.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Man, he just hit that call.
I seen him when I looked out in that field. I seen 3 of them, and I seen the strutter. I said, wait on that strutter, hopefully, but I wanted you to kill one. I was like, man, if you can shoot him, shoot him. But
Oh
that
my
is a
goodness.
stud.
Laid him
That is
down.
awesome.
Laid him down. Man, he stayed down here.
Yeah.
Didn't ever want to come up.
When he did that last time, I'm like, kill him,
Uh-huh.
kill him.
Oh my goodness.
Hot dog.
Oh. Man, that was worth the wait.
Yep, yep.
My heart was beating. You probably hear it in the camera.
That's what it's all about. You was shaking. I
Oh,
could
yeah.
hear you behind
Yeah.
there. I was like,
You were like, take him. I'm like, all I see is his beak.
yep.
We're gonna gamble. We
Yep.
gotta gamble. Gotta gamble, and it
Hot
paid
dog.
off.
Yep,
It paid off.
yep. Great bird. Great bird.
Gosh.
Double
dang.
beard. That's the second double beard this morning.
At this stand.
At this
This is
yeah,
where
right
Jeremy
here.
got this one right here.
Yeah,
Man, you were calling for Jeremy.
yep. Yep, 2 for 2. Maybe we can get another one. Now he's done at 5.5. 27.5. Now he's back to 6.2. Yeah.
Yeah.
27 and a half pounds.
Yeah. Nice, and the spurs were what now?
Inch and 3/8.
Inch and 3/8. It's a big bird here at Triple O. About it, Jeremy. Will he eat yours, won't he? That's what I heard. That wasn't my words. That was somebody else's words.
I think it may be my dad's. The beards are the same.
That's why I said I walked up there and I said, he got a double beard.
2 double beards. 2 hens with beards.
It might be a little inbreeding.
See, I know what I'm doing.
there you go.
All I gotta do is call this guy
Yeah.
and kill birds.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Getting it done at the Triple O.
That's what we're trying to do. Yeah, we had to get one bigger than Jeremy's too.
That's right. That's right. This one right here would eat Jeremy.
Say hey.
Say gobble, gobble, gobble.
Say gobble, gobble,
Gobble,
gobble.
gobble, gobble. Good boy. Yay.
He